Today we are exploring how to tell if a relation is a function. So first we need to recall what the definition of a function is. A function is a relation in which each input has exactly one output. So we'll be referring to that definition every time we're looking at a relation to see if it fits that definition. So in example 1, we have a relation that's represented as ordered pairs. So let's take a look at each input. The first one is -3. It's paired with an output of 5. And then we've got -4 paired with an output of 8, 4 paired with 7, -7 paired with 4, 0 paired with 1. So on all of those input values, we only see them paired with exactly one output. So yes, that relation is a function because each input has exactly one output. Looking at number 2, we got -5 paired with 2, and then we got -2 paired with 0, -8 paired with 2, 7 paired with 4, and then again we've got -5 paired with 9. Okay, so since -5 had an output of 2, and then later on -5 has an output of 9, that relation is not a function because the input of -5 has two outputs. Looking at a relation in a table, okay, the input values are the x values, and the output values are the f of x values. If we look at table 3, look at all your input values here. We got -4 paired with an output of 3, and then again, -4 paired with an output of 8. So that one is not a function because the input of -4 has two outputs. Now looking at number 4, sometimes we'll see that, this output shows up more than once of 9, but we really want to focus on the input values. So those are the ones we scrutinize, 12, 5, 13, 11, 3. Each one of those is unique. We don't have a repeat here. So this is a function because each input has exactly one output. Now, these relations are represented graphically. So the input values is the x. So we're looking along the x-axis, and the output value is the y's. If you look here, well, all along this relation, but let's just look at x equals 4, for example. We've got an output here at +2, and then an output at -2. So that relation is not a function. This is the vertical line test. If a vertical line intersects that graph more than once, then it's not a function. So let's take a look at number 6. Here's our vertical line. Imagine a vertical line moving across that function from left to right. If it would intersect it more than once, then it's not a function. But this one is a function because each input has exactly one output. This vertical line, no vertical line would ever intersect this function more than once. And then we've got some relations represented in mapping diagrams. So in number 7, 9 is paired with 8, -2 is paired with 4, 3 is paired with 4, and 5 is paired with 8. So each of these inputs only has one arrow coming off of it. So it's only paired with one output. So this one is a function. Clicker stopped working. And over here with number 8, 5 is paired with 4, 7 is paired with 8, and 12 is paired with both 6 and 10. So this input of 12 has more than one output. So that is not a function. I'll try this one more time. So here's the answers here. Yes, each input has exactly one output. And then right here, it's 12 that has the two outputs. And that's what makes this one not a function.